Hello, and thank you for joining me for this matter intake demonstration. You see, Tonkean is a solution that helps legal operations teams to intake, triage, and coordinate work across all of their different functions. It's uniquely able to coordinate with other business units, monitor all of your different technologies that you use so that you can put together cohesive workflows that go across system and that enable an amazing experience for your end users. Let's take a look. This is a legal operations dashboard on Tonkean. We don't replace your current toolset, we help you get more value out of them, leverage them, and connect them into larger workflows, so that your legal operations teams can see all of the unanswered questions coming into legal, conflict waivers being processed, new law firms being onboarded. It allows you to see how requests are coming in, whether it be email, or from Slack, or from Teams, or it could be from a form or even another system that we're monitoring. What this means is you can now see your legal operations backlog. And all of this work can be coordinated and triaged into matter management. If an end user wants to open a new matter, even if it's a legal operations professional, we need to triage that and get it all the appropriate data together so that we can log it into the matter management system and coordinate any other teams or systems that need to be involved. I've created my own matter management dashboard here. This is where a legal operations professional could come and review their backlog of matter requests, whether they're unassigned. I can dynamically assign these requests to myself or one of my team members, and they will immediately appear in their backlogs and their queues below. These requests give you visibility into the work being done and the status of all of your requests. Let's go ahead and log a fresh one. So as a legal ops professional, I could log a new matter, or I could go to, as a end user, one of your requesters in your organization, I could go to our FAQ and help section. You decide who can access which page within Tonkean. So as an end user, as a non-legal ops person, I might not necessarily know where to start. So I can review all of our knowledge base, so helpful documentation, even if it's saved in another location, Tonkean can display these knowledge base articles so I can understand my different legal policies, and I could actually enter a request. I can view all my different request types, and we can even take them through a series of questions so that they can understand what type of request they have. And then I can have them specify using a preferred or non-preferred law firm. Each of these forms are conditional and completely configurable by you. So if you don't like how I'm displaying these, or you don't like the options or the order of the questions, that is very, very easy to update. And it's based 100% on no code, so that you can edit this and own it as a legal operations professional and not have to get IT or a third-party consultant involved in order to custom code this. I'll just give it a quick name. And you can specify who's going to review this matter. It could be multiple people. You can enter the contact email from another firm, if there was a matter lead, if there's a matter budget. So of course, wanting to track all of this back to e-billing. Provide a description and any matter instructions. So these questions are completely configurable, and this could update one system or even multiple systems. Tonkean is an integrated solution, so that even if these forms are being presented in another interface, let's say that you wanted to make your intake channel be email for this exact same process, or Slack. The end user could go to that channel, type in something like matter management, or I need help with XYZ, and our natural language processing will respond back to them with that form as well, so that no matter where they want to interact with the workflow, we can meet them where they are. So the first thing that happens is my end user's taken to this tracker, this pizza tracker up at the top, where they can see exactly where they are. They're awaiting approval and information about their request. If it was a M&A that they were requesting, that might go on and create an additional approval. My legal team in this scenario really likes working in Slack, so they absolutely could pick up this new matter right here in their backlogs and in their queues and start to work on it. But because my team likes to work in Slack, maybe they automatically get pinged right here in their legal operations channel. This is equally supported in Teams, GChat, even email. So I can view this. I could click to open the full request and view the interface just like the end user is. And I can also have my own interface for my legal team. I go ahead and I hit approve. And what this does is it will step my workflow forward and actually approve this to be sent to my simple legal system. That's my matter management solution in this case. So most legal teams already have some sort of matter management tool, and we're allowing your end users to interact with it and work with it much more easily and give you full end-to-end tracking. When this matter is closed or updated in Simple Legal, we can display those updates back here to the end user and keep them involved. We can even send them forms and request additional information so that you have a consolidated experience. This would allow you to even interact with multiple systems, get documents generated and approved, and yet be able to track and report on it in a single interface. If you don't have a matter management tool today, you can also use Tonkean. Tonkean provides its own out-of-the-box matter management solution. We call it Matter Management Lite. It is extremely extensible so that you can use it for a variety of scenarios, because Tonkean has these ticketing tool functions built directly into the application. You can actually manage matters here as well. This way, your adoption is so much easier. Your end users can work where they are most comfortable, and your legal operations team can get the visibility and dashboarding that they need, manage their backlogs and queues, and see the end-to-end status of a workflow and of a request. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to take them.